December 1967. Oops, wrong video. Guys, welcome. How's it going? Good morning, good evening, good wherever you are in the world, guys. We're back for another 7-second share code YouTube video. And I always stagger when I say that. It's 7-second share code YouTube video. We're back to video 5 and getting started inside the step-by-step inside the 7-second share codes, guys. Okay, thanks so much, guys, for sitting in. And let me start off by saying this, guys. There is nothing that I can think of now that I look back over time that's simpler and easier than doing what I do. Email marketing, affiliate marketing. It's nothing simpler and easier than doing it. And I have to tell you, I got a picture of myself on my computer. Excuse the clutter on my desk, guys, but this is what I do, right? I jump on my PC in the morning or whenever I choose to, usually in the morning time, and I drive traffic into my automated sales systems and funnels. That's what I do, right? But it wasn't always that way. I had to go through a learning curve, right? And anyway, I had to teach myself a few things, a skill set that actually you guys are actually witnessing over my shoulder right now, that can pay you for the rest of your life, simply by creating yourself an email subscribers list, right? And then building out a recruiter sales system funnel, like I talk about, like I'm speaking about inside of the 7-second share codes umbrella. And then driving ad traffic into your lead capture pages, where this whole process begins, right? Because this is how we go out and prospect. And so, anyway, before I get into showing you guys how to connect the lead capture page with the actual thank you bridge pages inside of any funnel that you could have come through, as I started to evolve as an affiliate marketer, as an email marketer, I got a little sidetracked because of all the noise sometimes that's in our space, right? And so I let myself go down a rabbit hole where I believe there was more to what a lot of the initial mentors of mine were telling me in the very beginning. Like, they were telling me the real basics, the simplicity of this thing. And that's what I'm doing, right, inside of the 7-second share code. But I veered off course a little bit because other people were saying other things that led me to believe that I could have faster success or even more success, or possibly get rich overnight if I did it this way, as opposed to the way I'm explaining this should be done, right, with email and affiliate marketing, particularly email marketing. And so a lot of people will make you believe you have to be doing social media necessarily, right? And I'm just using this as an example. Or you have to be doing Google Ads, right? AdSense, and those are just different ways to get more exposure for your business. The basics, guys, in email marketing is what I just explained. Having yourself an email list, creating yourself a funnel, a list building funnel system, sales system funnel, and then driving traffic into that funnel. You can veer off course. You could think that it's more difficult than it has to be, but it's not. I have to say that because I wasted a lot of time, doing things that just weren't necessary. You don't need fancy cameras. You don't need, you don't need all that stuff. All you need to do is to be able to make a simple connection. By the way, we're only separated by about 6 degrees, guys, worldwide. Well, when you can do this, you can make those connections, and you can do it with a laptop, a simple screen Palomatic video cam. If you're a content creator, you don't even have to be, and you can make this thing work. You can fire up a system, and you can let it go to work for you 24/7, 365. Okay, so enough of that. Okay, guys, so in video 4, we talked about how to import your lead capture pages, right? We showed you how to import this page with your bridge page. I showed you guys how to take a simple lead capture page and a corresponding thank you page or a bridge page. This is where people land after they come through your lead capture page. And I showed you guys how to import these pages. And it's a very simple process because we did it using my newly renowned 7-second share code, or the 7-second share code technology built inside of Leap. Is Leap the only platform that has share codes? Nope. I have HBA Funnel Builder, they have it. The Power Lead System has it. Almost any funnel builder, now have this share code technology built into it because it's so easy to replicate and duplicate when you have it. So that's what that is. Okay, not exclusive to Leads. But look, guys, so now you're coming through your lead capture page, you're redirecting to your thank you bridge page. If you guys followed along in video 4, you guys know how to import these pages into your actual Leads membership. And if you missed that video, go back through the 7-second share codes getting started playlist, or the 7-second share code playlist period, because these videos are going to be chronologically ordered, or should I say listed in order, in that playlist. And you can find the answer to anything that you want to find the answer to as it pertains to setting up your funnel, the funnel system that you came through, right? And every day, by the way, you guys, or every other day, you guys should be getting an email from me with training, right? Because when I do these videos, I upload them to YouTube. Because I am a member of Leads Leap, it's built into my feed. The video automatically goes up on, well, after I make it live on YouTube, it automatically is posted to everybody on my list. And you guys are getting these videos that way as well. If you're on my list, and if you're just a person that happen to be on YouTube, you're looking for ways to make extra money from home, then guys, feel free, sit in, because it doesn't get much simpler and easier than this. Okay, so now, guys, what I want you to do is pull up your lead capture page. This page, or the corresponding lead capture page that you guys came through. You came through lead capture page, and then you landed on a bridge page. And on that bridge page, somewhere, usually at the bottom, you'll find the corresponding share codes on that page. Okay, just know that. Now, I want you guys to come to your lead capture page, because remember in the last video, we did a test lead capture page, and that's this page, guys. Remember we did that? So I'm going to take this down, and there's the bridge page, and there's the test lead capture page. Remember we did that, right? So now I want you guys to come to that lead capture page that you set up. After you, well, make sure you got your bridge page already ready too, right? I'm just using this one in this example, but whatever page you came through, whatever funnel system you came through, get the codes, pull up both of those pages. Particularly the first page you want to be working with is this test lead capture page. I'm calling it's the test lead capture page in my Leads Leap membership. But I want you to pull it up. And when you pull that page up, oh gosh, I went down way too small. When you pull that page up, guys, I want you to come over to where it says launch the editor. Okay, after you pulled up your lead capture page that you now have imported inside of Leads Leap, launch the editor. When you launch the editor, guys, this is where all of the editing inside of your lead capture page takes place. All the editing inside of your lead capture page takes place. It's not much, because all you're going to do is come over here. Let me see if I can enlarge this again. You're going to come over here to the top left-hand side. When you launch that editor, up at the very top left-hand corner, you'll see it says templates at the top, and right under that it says list, number 2. And I want you to click list, because this is where you're going to take the URL for that thank you bridge page, and you're going to pop it right here in this field. I'm backing out. I already got a URL in there. And the URL you're going to use is your bridge page URL, right? That's the URL that you want to use. Just take that URL and pop it inside of this block. And guys, remember we talked about the list, right? I want you guys, let me enlarge the screen. This is very important. So now you know that you want your thank you bridge page, right? That's the page you want to connect to that, right? And I can't get it out now because of the way. Well, yes, I can. I think I can get it. Either way, take it out of your URL and then go to your where I showed you guys on the list, and just pop it right inside. Okay, and then come up here to the list. Remember, you guys created a list early on. I think that was video 2. No, that was video 1. That was video 1. I showed you guys how to set up a list in Leads Leap. Whatever you name that list, I want you to go get the list ID for it. Right? You should have named that list too. I'm inside of the 7-second share code. I'm going to use that list, right? And I'm going to hit save. So now that page, that lead capture page is redirecting. Let me take this out and show you guys what it looks like, because this is the URL, right? I'm going to paste it in here and see, can I bring it up? And so there it is. That's the bridge page, right? That's the page. So now that page, the lead capture page, is now redirecting to that page. And guys, I have it integrated with my list, right? That list of follow-up emails that's gonna automatically start to drip on my list. We call it a drip campaign sometimes. And it's going to continue to re-engage with my list with whatever it is I want to re-engage with my list with, right? And guys, it's all done on automation, right? So that's as simple as it is. You're going to pull up your actual thank you page, and you're going to pull up your capture page, and you're going to follow those instructions, and you have both. You can go out of there, make sure you hit save a couple of times. And that's as simple as it is when it comes to that process, guys, okay? Very, 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 very simple process. There's the bridge page, right? There's the test lead capture page. And now those pages are connected. Right now, I will show you guys, let me show you guys something. I will show you guys that is connected, because I'm coming out of all these pages, and I'm going to pull up my test lead capture page, and I'm going to click test lead capture page. And to prove to you guys that this works, I'm going to put my email inside of that field. Let me see, can I enlarge? Right? Whatever lead capture page. Remember, guys, whatever lead capture page you're working with. And I didn't mean to do this in all caps, by the way. I don't like all caps. I don't even know if it will work with all caps. I always catch it before I do that. So, okay, so we got my email address, right? And see, that's my dyslexia. Sometimes it's the glaucoma. Okay, so I'm putting my email address in, right? It's marlonobennett@gmail.com. And so I'm going to ask for this, which also includes 500 in bonus IM training and ad traffic resources. You guys know that. And this is what's going to happen. That person's being instructed to go to their email inbox. And of course, guys, we're landing on bridge, right? Very, very, very simple. A process, by the way, that most people simply overcomplicate, right? They overcomplicate it. And when you start to overcomplicate, you get sidetracked. And when you get sidetracked, you'll get confused. You get confused, you get lost. When you get lost, you don't have any direction anymore, right? So follow this process to promote anything that you want. Okay, now we're not going to do it in this video. In the next video, guys, in video 6, we've connected everything. Now I'm going to show you how to get inside these pages and edit the thank you page, because I just showed you guys how to go to the lead capture page, and I'm going to show you guys how to edit any bullet on any page that you want, and how to take the links and make those links your links inside of your funnel system. We're going to edit these funnels out. I'm going to edit one out. You guys have your corresponding page that you're working with, and you'll be editing that page out. And remember, guys, there's always on every page the 7-second share codes playlist. You guys can get instant access by just visiting the link on every funnel system, and you guys will be right back inside where you get to stand over yours truly's shoulders and watch me put these simple 7-second share code funnels together. Thanks so much for sitting in, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.